Dr. Owl, it's so dark outside now. I was just looking at my book, and when I looked up, the whole world got dim. Where does all the light go when the sun goes away? Does it go to sleep too?
Hoo-hoo! An excellent question, Emma. The light doesn't go to sleep, but it does travel somewhere else. It's all part of a wonderful scientific story.
No light, no problem for a robot. I have a super-duper megawatt flashlight. Let me just find the button. Beep. Is it this one? Boop beep boogie.
Haha! Ziggy, you started a robot dance party.
While Ziggy finds the right button, his disco ball brings up a fantastic question for today's adventure. We see light all around us, but what exactly is light? And where does it all come from? Hoot hoot, hello, curious minds. You're listening to STEM with Dr. Owl, where big questions turn into fun adventures.
Hi, I'm Emma, always full of questions and ready to explore.
Ziggy here. I know a zillion facts and 0 ways to share cookies.
If you like our show, please share with a friend, a teacher, or your whole class.
Oh, your neighbor's cat.
Welcome back, explorers. Before Ziggy's dance party, Emma asked a brilliant question. What is light? Emma, Ziggy, any guesses?
Is it like a bright yellow blanket that covers the world during the day?
My calculations suggest light is made of, sparkly sprinkles that fly out of the sun. Zap, pow, sprinkle.
Oh, those are wonderfully imaginative ideas. And Ziggy, you're not too far off. Light is a type of energy that we can see. You can think of it like zillions of tiny, tiny packets of energy called photons. They travel in a straight line, super, super fast. Faster than a race car. Faster than a rocket ship. Faster than anything else we know.
Wow! So light is energy packets zooming around? Like tiny messengers delivering brightness?
Precisely. And these light messengers come from many different places. Which leads me to a trivia question for you both. And for all our explorers listening. What do you think is the main, #1, biggest source of natural light for our whole planet Earth? Is it A, all the lightning storms in the world? B, fireflies having a party? Or C, the sun?
Ooh, I think it's the sun. It's so big and bright.
I vote for the firefly party. Beep boop glow. Think of the flashing.
Woohoo! Emma, you got it. The sun is our biggest and most important source of light. It's like a giant, fiery ball in space that's always on. But there are other natural sources too. The stars you see at night are also suns, just very, very, very far away.
And what about fire? Like a campfire? That makes light.
Exactly. Fire creates light through a chemical reaction, and so does lightning. That's a huge spark of electricity in the sky. But here's a really cool one. Have you ever seen a firefly glow?
I have. Their bottoms light up. It's very inefficient engineering if you ask me. My light comes from my eyes.
Oh, that special glow from fireflies has a big science name. Bioluminescence. Can you try saying that with me? Bioluminescence?
Bioluminescence. That's a long one.
It is, but it's easy to remember if you break it apart. Bio means life, and luminescence means making light. So it just means living light. Some fish deep in the ocean where it's super dark can also make their own light this way. They glow to find food or talk to each other.
Wow. So there's the sun, stars, fire, lightning, and living light. That's a lot. Are those the only kinds? What about the lamp in my room?
A perfect question. That brings us to man-made light or artificial light. That's any light that humans have learned to make, like the light bulb in your lamp, the screen on your tablet, or the disco lights in Ziggy's chest.
My disco lights are science-tastic. They work with things called LEDs. They're like tiny, tiny light bulbs that don't get very hot. Very efficient.
Ziggy is absolutely right. We make light mostly in two ways. One is by heating something up until it glows. Like the metal coils on a toaster. Let's try a little experiment. Explorers at home, rub your hands together really fast. Go on. What do you feel?
They're getting warm.
Exactly. That's friction making heat. If you could heat something up even more, like a piece of metal in a fire, it would start to glow red. That's heat turning into light. The other way is with electricity, like in our light bulbs and Ziggy's LEDs. We send electricity through them, and that energy excites tiny particles called atoms, and they get so excited, they release those little packets of light we talked about, photons.
So, light is made from heat or electricity. And what about glow sticks? They're not hot, and you don't plug them in.
Ooh, I love glow sticks. Are they filled with captured fireflies?
Oh, a good guess, Ziggy. They actually work with a chemical reaction, just like fire, but without the heat. When you snap a glow stick, you break a little glass tube inside, and two different liquids mix together. That mixture creates light. It's what scientists call cold light.
This is amazing. So light is energy that helps us see. It can be natural or man-made, and it even helps plants grow, right? You told me that before. Photosynthesis.
You remembered. Yes, light is essential. It lets us see the world, it warms our planet, and it gives plants the energy to make their own food. Now, how about we end with a super speed round of light-powered fun facts? I'll say a statement, and you tell me if it's true or false. First one for you, Emma. True or false? The light from some stars we see at night started traveling toward us before the dinosaurs even existed.
Whoa, that has to be true.
It is true. That's how far away they are. Okay, Ziggy, your turn. True or false? A bolt of lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun.
Beep, boop, false. Nothing is hotter than the sun. That's just silly.
Hoo-hoo! Believe it or not, it's true. A lightning bolt can be 5 times hotter than the sun's surface for a split second.
My circuits are officially blown. Wow.
So today we learned that light isn't a blanket or sparkly sprinkles, but amazing, super fast energy that comes from stars, fire, electricity, and even living creatures. It helps us see our beautiful world.
So when it gets dark, the sun's light isn't gone forever? It's just shining on the other side of the Earth.
That's exactly right, Emma. And other lights, like the stars and the moon reflecting the sun's light, get their turn to shine.
And I finally found it. My emergency flashlight.
Ziggy, I think a firefly is brighter than your flashlight.
It is energy efficient. Beep.
Ho ho! Keep looking up and wondering, explorers. We'll see you next time.
That was so much fun, Dr. Owl. I hope all our explorers had a great time too.
Hoot hoot! We loved having you with us. If you don't want to miss our next adventure, follow us on your favorite podcast platform.
And if you know a friend who loves exploring too, share our podcast with them.
If you have a question or a topic you want to learn more about, leave us a comment. See you next time.